Struggling with hormonal acne? You're not alone. Whether it's around your chin, jawline, or cheeks, hormonal acne can be stubborn, frustrating, and tough to treat. But before you go for harsh chemicals or expensive treatments, have you tried a natural solution? Today, I'm going to share an easy, effective, and all-natural remedy that can help you fight hormonal acne the right way. I'll walk you through the science behind hormonal acne and how this simple solution works to balance your hormones and clear up your skin from the inside. No need for prescription creams or a million beauty products, just the right ingredients that can actually make a difference. From hormonal imbalances to stress and diet, these factors play a huge role in skin breakouts. So let's tackle them head-on with a solution that's gentle, safe, and effective. If you're ready to take control of your skin, join me, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty and skincare tips. Let's say goodbye to hormonal acne the natural way.